Moonroof, Equinox LT, 4D Sport Utility, 6-way power driver seat adjuster, auto-dimming inside rear-view mirror with 1SD, black rooftop luggage crossbars, deep tinted glass, electronic cruise control with set and resume speed, leather-wrap shifter knob, leather-wrap steering wheel, preferred equipment group 1SD, tilt sliding sunroof with express open, and wine deflector. O'Neil Chevrolet Buick is honored to offer this outstanding-looking 2005 Chevrolet Equinox in like new shape. Take this pristine Equinox down the road and fall in love with driving all over again. New car test drive set it. Has a very flexible interior design with lots of space for family goods, and lots of space for American-sized people in both rows of seats. GM certified pre-owned means you not only get the reassurance of a 12,000-12,000 bumper-to-bumper limited warranty, but also a 2-year/30,000 standard CPO maintenance plan, up to a 5-year/100,000 $0 deductible, fully transferable, powertrain limited warranty, a 172-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, courtesy transportation, 3-day/150 customer satisfaction guarantee, 3-month trial on Star Directions and Connection service if available, Sirius XM Radio 3-mode trial if available, and a complete Carfax vehicle history report. Call Mike to schedule your test drive for this vehicle. We are located 12 miles from Bradley International Airport. BDL Fly in and we will pick you up.